Welcome back, bookworms. This is Mrs. K. I'm glad you could join me. The Easter Bunny is on strike. He's tired of climbing rooftops and dodging sprinklers just to hide Easter eggs in the trickiest spots. He's hung up his basket and left a note saying, "Eggs canceled." Oh no! Let's enjoy the magic of reading as we read together Easter Bunny on Strike, written and illustrated by Jennifer Jones, and find out what the kids do to help the Easter Bunny. Those are cute bunnies. Uh-oh. He doesn't look happy. It was the day of the big egg hunt, with baskets held up high, but something strange was going on. No eggs were found nearby. They searched the yard, behind the shed, beneath the trampoline, but not one egg was tucked away. The lawn was squeaky clean. Ooh, the sign says, "Eggs canceled, Easter Bunny." The next day in their classroom, a letter came in pink. It smelled like grass and jelly beans and made the teacher blink. "Dear children," said the letter, "the Easter Bunny needs a rest. I used to love this Easter game, but now it's one big quest." Oh boy. "I hide your eggs in trees and shrubs in spots not meant for me. I'm climbing walls and slipping slides and landing clumsily." Oh my goodness, poor thing. "You hand me maps and hush your voice. You must be sly tonight. But I'm just a bunny with fluffy feet. I trip more than I fight." The kids looked down and softly said, "I think we made it tough. We asked for weird hiding spots. He'd never find enough. I asked for 12 eggs, 3 hidden in my birdhouse." Oh no. Miss Daisy said, "Let's make it right and help the Easter Bunny too. We'll fix the hunt with simple rules and make space for a bunny crew." Oh, make Easter easy again. Low-level hides, no roof eggs, a bunny break lounge. That sounds nice. They marked soft grass with signs and flags and made each egg hunt clear. They built a lounge with carrot juice and bunny treats each year. Oh, look, easy egg zones. The Easter Bunny bounced back happily with baskets agrin and flair. He saw the plan and felt the love and leaped into the air. Aww. They painted eggs and played tag with no wild ninja feats. The hunt was fun, the eggs were found, and no one broke their feet. Oh look, no ladders needed. So if the bunny takes a break or the eggs are tough to see, stay kind, think sharp, and hunt with heart. Be sweet as you can be. Uh-oh, teacher's on strike. That doesn't sound good at all, does it, friends? Well, bookworms, if you enjoyed Easter Bunny on Strike, be sure to check it out at your local library or buy a copy for yourself from your favorite bookstore. If you enjoyed my Read Aloud video, please give it a thumbs up and become an official bookworm and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy the magic of reading.